Okay, so here's one more example of how I think the group reporting isn't working as it should. So now I was curious, okay, if I dig into just the development group in GitLab Learn, what am I going to find? So to just make it clear what group I'm talking about, if I go to our instance and I go to groups and I search for development, GitLab development team, I go to the GitLab development team. This team is being created by a dynamic group workflow, which I can show you what the workflow is in the admin. It's a workflow that's pulling off of the department level information about the user. So if I go to accounts, dynamic group management, and I want to pull up this development one, I can see that the department equals development. So I would assume that anyone in the platform who is a user in the development team is showing up in this group. So I drilled down in this report from the top 20 groups report that's on the group content analytics dashboard. The group name, I made it only the GitLab development team. The performance, again, I chose or unclicked completion, so I would see completions. Now, this is really interesting. If I go and I add card type over here, now I know that that DIB certification that I was talking about in my other recording is a journey. Here, there's no journeys. I can't choose any journeys. So that's telling me that the reporting is telling me that in this group, no one in this group has completed a journey. They've completed courses, media, pathways, polls, and quizzes, and there's 34 completions total. But it's telling me that no one in this group has completed the DIB certification. But if I go back to this report that I was showing in the other recording, this one is telling me that there are 91 users that have the development department attached to their account that have finished the pathway. So I'm not sure where the issue is. If it's an issue with, I think what the issue is something to do with group reporting. And I don't think that the actual completions of users within the platform are being pulled into the group reporting. And I guess just to clarify from my other recording, we need to know, in order to see them at the group level, do they have to be assigned? And then as the GitLab team, we have to make the decision, does that mean we're going to assign all content to all groups so that we're able to see the completion status of those pieces of content? So anyways, just found this one more example. So I'm putting it on this. This dashboard isn't super accurate. I think that this is the most accurate report that I've pulled so far. These two are not accurate, but I'm just having them all in one place so that we can compare them.